Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.